Hey guys, Daniel here. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Hornby Class 57-3 in Network Rail Yellow. That's part of the railroad range, so I'm going to see if getting a railroad 57 is really worth it, or should you save up your pennies and get a regular 57. Okay, so first let's unbox the train. Now, this is actually my first video where I've actually unboxed an actual train, not the Sonky Wii models spoof I did once. Well, twice, but I didn't unbox in the second time. Okay, so taking it out of the box, first impressions, quite a nice looking loco. It is part of the Railroad Plus range, so it's meant to have a very nice livery compared to a regular railroad loco like the many railroad locos I have in my collection. Now, let's take the plastic seal off. Yes, I did have a little look at it because I got this in Filey. And I have done 2 videos, not in Filey, but one, I did one in Bridlington and one in Scarborough. I can't remember, may have been both in Scarborough, I honestly can't remember. But those 2 videos are upcoming. They might have been released after I've done this video. Anyway, so taking it out of the box. Alright, ready for a front view? Right, well, it's a reskin 47, but apart from that, it's a very nice looking loco. And yeah, it's meant to be a -3 as you can see here, 57305. But you can just think of it as like a 57-0 maybe or something. Anyway, let's get it onto the truck and inspect the details. Now, before we get on to the inspection, I should mention the instructions here are for a Class 47. Oh yeah. Anyway, let's have a look at the instructions, something I haven't done before. It just talks about general routine maintenance, running hints, chassis, lubrication, locomotive bodywork. I'm afraid it's too big to take a photo of, so you'll just have to pause the video in the bit that you want to read. So this inside page just talks about body removal, installing DCC, so that's good I guess. It's DCC ready, so again not something you'd usually expect from a railroad locomotive. Yeah, replacing the body onto the chassis, lubrication, must lubricate it now and then, and yeah, that's a detailed view of the wheel set. Then again, just more stuff on the back. I've been going about this for too long, let's just get onto the loco. Right, so finally, getting onto the loco. So inspecting the details, you can see it's very well detailed. It's got the black lining round the cab. Well, when I say very well detailed, I mean it's all painted details mostly, but they have painted it well. There's no smudges or anything. And at the time of recording this video, I know Hornby isn't doing great. The recent Hush Hush has been a disappointment to many. But honestly, this loco isn't too bad. Although I do wish the very old Lima tooling was just a bit better. I don't believe these headlights work, but we'll see later. I know the tail lights don't. Again, moulded cab details, but again, not much to expect from a railroad loco, but it's very well painted. Again, no smudges or paintwork issues. The red line has been applied very well. To be honest, it looks better on my camera screen than my actual eyes. And we've even got the overhead cable thing, warning sticker. Here's the door into the engine bay, and a very nicely applied Network Rail loco. Again, there's some stuff they're saying about the Class 57, which I can't read because it's way too small a font. Again, nice applied cab numbers. And oh, it doesn't have NEM couplings, but something in between NEM couplings and the old basic Hornby couplings, so at least it has got newer couplings. Oh, and I should mention the underbody detail is also very nice. It's even got the electric boxes, whatever they are. I'm sorry, just please tell me in the comments what they are. Like generators? I don't know. But anyway, I do know something. The wheel sets are well painted. You've got the yellow things on the axles, and the springs are being painted. And it looks a lot better than your average railroad loco, so yes, Railroad Plus. First impression's pretty good. Now then, giving the loco its first run. Again, a bit dark, I'm very sorry about that. Oh, it wants to go this way, that's fine then. Okay, well, it hasn't been running yet, and it just starts well off the mark. No faults. Runs well. It's got over the points, I've noticed, without juddering. That's always a good sign. That's very good. So, my verdict. Are Railroad Plus trains any good for the money? Yes, I think so. I got this for about £85 from a Scarborough retailer, and compared to other locos, it's a lot cheaper. And for the money, you get yourself a very detailed, reskinned Class 47. Yeah, it's old tooling, but for the money, you get yourself good paintwork that has actually been done well, rather than some of the past Hornby models not even in the railroad range that are really sloppily decorated. Now, if you really want yourself a proper, like, front-end 57, I would just advise not getting this model because it's just a reskin 47, but if you're on a budget or you want a high-detailed railroad model, then this is the train for you. Anyway, yep, that's my verdict, so thanks for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video.